Sounds of Decay 2 is Blood Incantation's new EP, Luminescent Bridge.
A lot of shows today.
Denver's tech death stalwarts, Blood Incantation, sent the metal populace into a blanket-clutching, thumb-sucking tizzy last year by following up 2019 celebrated The Hidden History of the Human Race with a 40-minute EP of Tangerine Dream-styled ambient tunes. The link between krautrock and metal is well documented, and I can take some Klaus Schultz as much as the next guy. But I was really impressed when I heard an interview with Paul Riedel from Blood Incantation. Riedel? Anyway. In an interview, he describes that the band had planned all this out from the very beginning. Music and artwork, from Starspawn to Hidden History to the ambient EP, Time Wave Zero. It made me respect the moniker even more.
However, there was a palpable sense of uneasiness when Blood Incantation announced this new EP, Luminescent Bridge. The metalheads were chain-smoking, nail-biting, butt-cheek clenching. Was this going to be another 40 minutes of music for my next massage? Or will they return to their tech death style? Or would it be something even weirder?
Well, rest assured, these songs are excellent. Obliquity of the Ecliptic, I got that right, is a 9-minute keeper in the style of The Hidden History of the Human Race. With those trademark herky-jerky incantation harmonic squeals, the combination of talky and growled vocals, and soaring semi-psychedelic leads from Riedel and Morris Kalinerski. The track starts moving in and out of spacey, clean guitar jangles around the midpoint, but it definitely is up there with Blood Incantation's best. Now, the second song isn't ambient, but it's more like a Porcupine Tree song. Luminescent Bridge isn't death metal, but it does offer nearly 10 minutes of icy Floydish guitar, swishy through the wormhole effects, and majestic guitar solos. Another new plane for Blood Incantation to conquer? Perhaps. So why don't you introduce the song, if you can pronounce it?
This is Obliquity of the Ecliptic.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.